Good afternoon, children. Today, as you can see, we will be beginning with Composite Maths, Chapter 5, Addition. The concept of addition is to increase. The concept of more, it is related to concept of increasing things. যে কোনো জিনিসের বেশি হয়ে যাওয়াটা, নাম্বার হোক, জিনিসপত্র হোক, যাই হোক. And the symbol of addition is a plus sign. This sign is also visible in the doctor's safety bag. So, let us begin with the learning of addition. In this chapter, we will learn addition with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, with carry forward and without carry forward. So, first one, as you can see, we are going to perform 2-digit addition without carry forward. Mane ones place এর নাম্বারটা অ্যাড করে ওয়ান্স প্লেসে লিখে দিতে হবে, টেন্স প্লেসের নাম্বারটা অ্যাড করে টেন্স প্লেসে লিখে দিতে হবে, কোনো এক্সট্রা নাম্বার আগে যাবে না. সো ওয়ান্স প্লেসের নাম্বারটা যদি আমরা দেখি 4+2, তাহলে 4+2 করলে কত হবে? আমি কেন 4 থেকে স্টার্ট করলাম? ইটস নট বিকজ 4টাই ওপরে আছে. সবসময় অ্যাডিশন করবার সময় আমাদের এটা মনে রাখতে হবে যে অ্যাডিশন আমরা সবসময় ওয়ান্স থেকে শুরু করব, আর যেটা বিগ নাম্বার থাকবে সেইটার পর থেকে যদি আমি স্মল নাম্বারের দিকে গুনি তাহলে আমাদের সময়ও কম লাগবে আর আমাদের ভুল হওয়ার সম্ভাবনাটাও কম থাকবে. সো 4+2 ইফ উই অ্যাড 4 এর পরে 5, 6. So see, I have written 6 under 4 and 2 in the ones place. In the tens place, you have 5 and 3. So now, again, 5 big number. So we will be counting after 5 till 3 more numbers. So 5 er pore 6, 7, 8. And you can see I have written 8 under tens place. So the total number is 86. Okay. Now we shall proceed with the second one. Second sum, you have 32 plus 57. Why I have taken 5 and 3 in the tens place in both the sums? Just to make you understand that if you add 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, you will get the same answer. Okay? Whether it's in ones place, tens place, any place, if you add two numbers and you reverse it, you will get the same answer, same outcome. So 5 plus 3 in the second place also, you will see that the answer is same. So let us begin the addition. 2 plus 7, so we'll start counting after 7. 7, we leave and then count 8, 9. So the answer is 9 in ones place. In tens place 5, and after 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can see 8 is written under tens place. So the total answer is 89. So this will be the procedure of solving 2-digit numbers without any carry forward. I hope you will be able to solve it on your own next time. 2-digit addition with carry forward. Now what we will do, we will solve carry forward method sums in 2-digit numbers. So let us begin with the purple box. In the purple box you have 95 and 15. So let us start solving from the ones place. 5 plus 5 is how much? Start adding on your finger from the pinky finger, that is the small finger. From down cut you start adding after 5 again till 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the ring finger down you have the 10th place. You get 10 here. So 5 plus 5 is 10. But children, we cannot write 10 under ones place. So we will write 0 under ones place and we will take away 1 to the tens place. Now we will add 1 with 9 and 1 in the tens place, that they are already there. So 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So Since there are no other number under hundreds place, we will write down one under tens place and the other one under hundreds place, and please do not write it under tens place. Two numbers cannot be written under one place value. So the total answer is 110. Coming to the blue box, you have another two set of numbers, that is 06. That means we will just say 6 added to 75. So let us begin. In the ones place number, we have 6 and 5. So we will start adding after 6. After 6 we have till 5 we will be counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will write 1 under ones place and the red one we will be carrying it forward to tens place. In the tens place you already have 7 and 0. But you know, when you add any number with 0, the answer is the same number. So 7 will remain same and we will add 1 with 7. So after 7 we have 8. So we will write down 8 and the total answer is 81. So children, you can see I have written 81. So I hope this will help you to solve the carry forward sums. Now we shall learn how to solve 3-digit addition without carry forward. মানে কোনো extra number আগে না carry forward করে 3টে digit number দিয়ে কি করে আমরা addition করব। যেমন আমরা 2 digit দিয়ে করেছি সেইভাবেই করব, কিন্তু এবার আমরা 3 digit দিয়ে করব। So let us start. In the green box you have 264 and the next number is 305. So in the ones place you have 4 and 5. So we will start adding with the ones place number. So 5 added to 4 we have 6, 7, 8, 9 and the number 9 is written under ones place. The next one is 6 and 0. I have already mentioned children that 0 সঙ্গে যে কোনো নাম্বার আমরা প্লাস করব, যে নাম্বারটা থাকবে সেই নাম্বারটাই নিচে লিখে দিতে হয়। 0 সঙ্গে কোনো নাম্বার প্লাস করলে কোনো নাম্বার চেঞ্জ হয় না। তো 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds place you have 2 and 3. So 3 এর পর থেকে 2 পর্যন্ত গোনো, 4, 5 and you have 5 under hundreds place. So the total answer is 569. Now coming to the purple box, you have 51. So in the ones place you will add 5 plus 1 and you will get 6. In the tens place you have 4 plus 2. So after 4 you will count till 2 more numbers. 4 will be left out and then 5, 6. So see, I have mentioned 6. In the hundreds place 3 plus 3. So after 3 if you add 4, 5, 6 and the answer is 6. So the total answer is 666. And children, here I have tried to explain you one more thing, that you can get the same answer by adding numbers in different ways. Okay? Let's continue. Now we will learn how to solve 3-digit addition with carry forward. Okay? So let us start. You have 653 in the first place and in the second place number you have 249. Okay, you can see the orange box, these numbers are there. Now in the ones place you have 3 and 9. So children, as we have learned, we will start counting after 9 till the third number. In your finger, start with the pinky finger, the down cut. After 9 you will count 10, 11, 12 and you see that I have mentioned 12, but As we know that we cannot write two numbers under ones place, so we will take away that yellow one and we will reach it to the tens place. আমরা ওয়ান্স প্লেসে যেটা হলুদ রঙের ওয়ানটা লেখা আছে ওইটাকে নিয়ে আমরা কোথায় নিয়ে চলে যাব? টেন্স প্লেসে। দেখো আমি ওই হলুদ ওয়ানটাকে নিয়ে টেন্স প্লেসে নিয়ে চলে গেলাম। এবার কি হবে? আমরা 5, 4 ওটাকে তো প্লাস করবই, তার সঙ্গে ওয়ানটাকেও প্লাস করে দেবো। তো লেট আস স্টার্ট কাউন্টিং। 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and plus 1 is 10. Again I have written 10, but that yellow one will be carry forward to hundreds place. And now in the hundreds place you have 6, 2 and 1. So 6, after 6 if you count, 7, 8 and plus 1, 9. So the total answer is 902. Let us now look at the orange, light orange box. Here we have carry forward system with two more new numbers, that is 182 added to 749. So in the ones place you have again 9 plus 2. So after 9, 10, 11. So children, as you can see, 1 I have mentioned under 9 and 2, but the blue one I have carried it and I have taken it to tens place. Now under tens place you already have 8 and 4. So we'll add 8, 4 plus 1. First we'll add 8 and 4. So let us add 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13. So I have written 3 under tens place, and that 1 that I have written under tens place, that I will carry forward to hundreds place. In the hundreds place we have 7 and 1, and we will add that green one to it. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, and the answer will be 931. So the highlighted numbers show that they have to be carried forward to the next value, okay, and then added to it. So please follow this method. Next we have 3-digit numbers without carry forward and with carry forward. So without carry forward, how are we going to solve it? So the first number is 410, the second is 231, and the third number is 328. So if you start adding the numbers in the ones place, 8 plus 1 makes 9, and I have written 9 under ones place. In the tens place you have 2. From the down if you see 2, 3 and 1. So start adding the numbers in the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4 and plus 2 is 5, 6. So the total number is 6. Then in the hundreds place you have 4. After 4 you will count till 2. 5, 6. After 6 you will count till 3, 7, 8, 9. So by doing that you get 969, and the answer will be 969. Now with carry forward, how will you solve it? So in the pink box you have 689, first number. Second number is 055, that means 55. And in the third place you have 108. Now we'll start adding from the ones place. 9 plus 5. After 9 till 5 we'll count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And after 14 we will count till 8. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And as we know, one of the two will be written down, the last two will be written down, and the first two will be carried forward to the tens place. So here we already have 8, 5 and 0. So 0 added to any number gives the same number. So we will just add 8 plus 5. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 2, 14, 15. So we have 15 here. So 5 will be written under tens place and 1 will be carried forward to hundreds place. Now 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. So how much will be the number? 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. And the answer will be 852. So I am very sure you will not have any problem solving the 3-digit numbers without carry forward and 3-digit numbers with carry forward. So now let us learn about the placeholders of addition. Now what do you mean by placeholders? Placeholders মানে যারা নিজের স্থান ঠিক করে রাখে। ঠিক আছে? Let's learn it. Order property of addition. এর মানে হচ্ছে যে আমরা নাম্বারকে যেভাবেই সাজিয়ে লিখি না কেন, যদি দুটো নাম্বার থাকে সেম তাহলে সেই নাম্বারগুলোকে ওপরেরটা নিচে বা নিচেরটা ওপরে লিখি। যেমন দেখো পার্পল অ্যারো অ্যান্ড ব্লু অ্যারো দিয়ে দেখানো আছে, নিচের নাম্বারকে ওপরে লিখেছি, ওপরের নাম্বারকে নিচে লিখেছি, কিন্তু তাদের অ্যাড করলে আমরা আনসার সেম পেয়েছি। তাহলে একবার অ্যাডটা করে দেখি আমরা। ব্লু বক্সেরটা দিয়ে স্টার্ট করা যাক। We have 37 added to 42. So 7 plus 2 is, after 7, 8, 9. And the answer is 9. And in tens place, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total answer is 79. We observe that 37 plus 42 is equal to 42 plus 37 is equal to 79. তাহলে আমরা কি দেখছি, 37-এর সঙ্গে 42-কে যদি প্লাস করি সেটা 42 প্লাস 37-এর সেম টু সেম হবে, আর সবগুলোর আনসারটা কি বেরোবে, 37 প্লাস 42 যদি 42 প্লাস 37-এর সঙ্গে সেম হয় তাহলে তার আনসার হবে 79। তাহলে মানেটা কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে, 2 numbers may be added in any order. দুটো নাম্বারকে আমরা যেভাবেই অ্যাড করি না কেন তাদের সাম রিমেন্স দ্য সেম, তাদের অ্যাডিশন করলে তাদের আনসারটা সেম থাকবে। সো 37 প্লাস 42 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 42 প্লাস 37। এই অর্ডারটাকে আমরা কি বলি, কমিউটেটিভ প্রপার্টি অফ অ্যাডিশন অর order property of addition. Okay, this is the order property or commutative property of addition. Fine. Now we shall continue with the further understanding of order of property of addition. Okay, let's continue. Fill in the placeholder. এটার মানে কি হচ্ছে যে যেখানে ব্ল্যাঙ্ক থাকবে তোমাকে সেটা ভরতে হবে। এখানে রেড দিয়ে যা যা লেখা আছে সেগুলো কিন্তু ব্ল্যাঙ্কস থাকবে, সেইগুলোতে তোমাদের নাম্বারটা ভরতে হবে। তো লেট আস কন্টিনিউ নাও। 35 plus 41 is equal to 41 plus dash. Now what will you do, children? How to find out the dash? So as we know that numbers of the right hand side will be same as numbers of the left hand side. So if you have the number 35 plus 41 on your left hand side, so you will also have the same number on the right hand side to make it equal. So 41 and 41 is already there in both sides. Which number is missing? Yes, 35 is missing. So you will write down 35 in the blank space as I have written it in red. You can see the 35 in the first place. In the second one, 59 plus dash is equal to 37 plus 59. 59-এর সঙ্গে তুমি কি প্লাস করবে, যে তোমার 37 প্লাস 59 করলে যেটা বেরোবে সেম বেরিয়ে যাবে। সো 59 সেম দেখতে পাচ্ছি, কোনটা সেম নাম্বার, তাহলে আরেকটা হতে হবে Yes, the same second number will be 37. So you will fill in the blanks with 37. In the last one you have dash plus 27 is equal to 27 plus 88. তো দুটো দিকেই আমরা is equal to পাচ্ছি 27. So we will write down 88. Okay? Hope you have understood. Children, if you follow the procedure properly, you will be able to solve all the addition sums in your composite maths book without any problem. Thank you. Stay fit.